Software Engineering BT 403 Needs and Types of Maintenance Topic. Introduction. Software maintenance refers to the process of modifying and updating a software system after it has been delivered to the customer. This includes bug fixing, adding new features, improving performance, or updating the software to work with new hardware or software systems. There are several aspects of software maintenance: bug fixing, enhancements, performance optimization, re engineering, and documentation. Bug fixing: the process of finding and fixing errors and problems in the software. Enhancement: the process of adding new features. Re-engineering: the process of improving design and architecture of the software to make it more maintainable and scalable. Documentation: the process of creating, updating, and maintaining the documents for software. Performance optimization: the process of improving speed, efficiency, and reliability of a software. Porting and migration: the process of adapting the software on a long run on a new process. Software maintenance is a critical part of a software development life cycle and is necessary to ensure the software continues to meet the needs of a user over time. Software maintenance is a process of modifying a software system after it has been delivered to the customers. There are several aspects of maintenance includes adaptive maintenance, proactive maintenance, preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance. This involves taking measures to prevent the future problems such as updating, documentation, review, and testing. Software maintenance is a continuous process that occurs throughout the entire life of a software cycle system. It is important to a well-defined maintenance process in place which includes testing and validation, version control, and communication. Software maintenance is a process of modifying a product after it has been delivered to the customer. Software maintenance can also involve upgrading the software to new versions of a platform. This can be necessary to keep with changes in technology to ensure the software remains compatible with other systems. The success of software maintenance depends on effective communication with stakeholders, including users, developers, and managers. Software maintenance is also an important part of SDLC software development lifecycle to modification in software applications so as to improve performance is the main focus of software maintenance. Software is a model that runs on the basis of the world, so whenever any change requires the software, that means the need of real world changes wherever possible. Need for maintenance. Correct software machine maintenance must be performed in order to correct faults, improve the design, implement enhancements, interface with other systems.